Welcome to C4SS. In this video, we are going to discuss major deserts of the world. Is the world map showing major deserts of the world? Hope you all gone through the map, so let's discuss the topic. Deserts are places that receive less than 10 inches or 25 centimeters of rainfall per year. The study of deserts is called eremology. Desert ecology is the study of interactions between both biotic and abiotic components of desert environments. Deserts cover more than 1/5 of the Earth's land area. Deserts can be both cold or hot, and only 20% of deserts are covered by sand. From these facts, we get to know that deserts are not only the place with sandy area and the driest in nature, but it says that deserts can be both cold or hot, and mainly it is demarcated on the basis of the rainfall received in each year. And it is very interesting to note that only 20% of deserts are covered by sand. Then, can you guess or identify which is this desert? Oh, it is a desert? Yes, it is the largest desert in the world and it is named after a continent. Which is that? Yes, it is the Antarctica desert. The Antarctica polar desert covers the continent of Antarctica. It has a size of about 5.5 million square miles. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and most isolated continent on Earth. It is considered a desert because its annual precipitation can be less than 51 mm in interior. No permanent human settlements are found in Antarctica. Coming next to Antarctica desert, it's the Arctic desert, which is the second largest desert in the world, and its area is 5.4 million square miles. Can you identify this desert? The world's largest hot desert, and it's the third largest desert. Yes, it's correct. It's the Sahara Desert. It's the largest hot desert in the world. So, Sahara Desert is not the largest in the world. It's the largest hot desert in the world because we have already mentioned Antarctica and Arctic are the two largest deserts, which is cold deserts. Now, about Sahara Desert, it is the largest hot desert and third largest desert, and it is located in the northern portion of Africa and covers over 35 lakh square miles. The highest peak in the Sahara is Emikausi, a volcano located in Tibesti Mountains, Chad, and it is about 3,450 meters in altitude. It makes up nearly 10% of the African continent. Around 25% of the desert is sand dunes. Sahara's population is around 4 million. The Sahara covers large part of Algeria, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Western Sahara, Sudan, and Tunisia. The Sahara is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean on the west, the Red Sea on the east, the Mediterranean Sea on the north, and Sahel Savanna on the south. There are approximately 500 species of plants, 70 non-mammalian species, 90 avian species, and 100 reptilian species that live in Sahara. Camels are one of the most iconic animals of the Sahara. There are two tribes that are known to Sahara Desert, and their names are Tuareg tribe and Bedouin tribe. Can you identify this desert? It's the fifth largest desert in the world, and it's the largest desert in Asia. Can you identify? Yes, it is the Gobi Desert. Gobi Desert is the largest desert in Asia and fifth largest in the world. It extends out to Mongolia south and on the other side it reaches out to northern and northwestern parts of China. Gobi holds the most important archaeological place where first discovered the dinosaurs laid eggs. The Gobi Desert is rich in copper, gold, and coal deposits. One of them is called Oyu Tolgoi, which is world's third largest copper and gold mine. The great Mongolian Empire was flourishing in the Gobi Desert along the Silk Road. And it's another desert. Can anyone identify this desert? It's the largest tropical desert in Asia and second largest in Asia, and also the hottest desert in the world. Which is it? Yes, it is the Arabian Desert. It's the largest tropical desert in Asia and covers an area of approximately 9 lakh square miles. The desert is a part of several countries which include Jordan, Oman, Kuwait, Qatar, UAE, Yemen, Iraq, and the main part, the Saudi Arabia. It contains many mountains, and highest of is Mount Al-Nabi Shuaib in Yemen at 3,760 meters in altitude. Oil, phosphates, natural gas, sulfur, etc. are among the natural resources which are present in the Arabian Desert. And the specialty of Arabian Desert is the largest oasis, namely Al-Haza, is presented within it. You all know about oasis. Oasis is a place in a desert where water comes up to the surface from deep underground, or we can say it is the greenest part in a desert. And Al-Haza Oasis is the largest oasis in the world. It is located in southeastern Saudi Arabia. It is about 8,544 hectares. There are more than 2.5 million palm trees in the oasis, which is fed from a huge underground aquifer. It also allows agriculture all year round in a region that is otherwise sand desert. So, next question, can you identify this desert? It's the largest desert in America. Oh, is it a desert? Yes, it is also known as Patagonian Steppe. As we said, Patagonian Desert is the largest desert in American continent, also known as Patagonian Sergio. Mainly covers the Patagonian region of Argentina to barely across the border into Chile, occupying 6,73,000 square kilometers. The region is bounded approximately by the Patagonian Andes to the west, the Colorado River to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the east, and Strait of Magellan to the south. Another quiz, can you identify this desert? And it is the smallest desert in the world. Yes, it is the Caracross Desert, which is the smallest desert in the world, which measures approximately 1 square mile or 2.6 square kilometers. Located across Caracross, Yukon, Canada. It is actually a series of northern sand dunes. Can you identify this desert? And it is the driest desert in the world, located in Chile. Yes, it is the Atacama Desert, the driest non-polar desert on Earth. As we already said, the driest desert is the Antarctica Desert, and it is a polar desert, while Atacama is the driest and non-polar desert on Earth. It is in Chile, stretches across a roughly 600-mile tract of land wedged between the coastal Cordillera de la Costa mountain range and the Andes Mountains. The Atacama is tucked into the shadow of the snow-capped Andes Mountains, which block rainfall from the east. What a pictures you've seen, right? Can you identify this desert? It's the oldest desert in the world, and it's a UNESCO's heritage site. Yes, it is the Namib Desert. It is a coastal desert in southern Africa. Stretches for more than 2000 kilometers and occupies an area of around 80,950 square kilometers. The Namib has been dry for at least 55 million years and possibly as many as 80 million. The high sand dunes of Namib Desert and the point where the desert meets the sea are the key attractions of this UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Next, we can discuss some other major deserts of the world, which is first, the Arizonian Desert. It is called as the Painted Desert. As you can see, many cactus are rising from the ground and it looks like a picturesque or a portrait displayed. It is located in North America. Next is Kalahari Desert, also called as Fossil Desert. It's a large basin-like plain of the interior plateau of southern Africa. It occupies almost all of Botswana, the eastern third of Namibia, and the northernmost part of northern Cape Province in South Africa. Next is Negev Desert, triangular-shaped desert, and the Negev is a large desert region in southern Israel. The region's largest city and administrative capital is Beersheba. Next, the Rangipo Desert. Rangipo Desert is a barren desert-like environment in New Zealand. It is the desert which receives highest amount of rainfall among the deserts of the world. It's an interesting fact, right? So lastly we can discuss the Sonoran Desert, the desert which having the highest floral composition. The Sonoran Desert is a North American desert which covers large parts of the southwestern United States in Arizona and California and of northwestern Mexico in Sonora, Baja California and Baja California Sur. So that's all about the major deserts in the world. Hope you get new facts and some interesting knowledge in this video. We can see in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.